Hi, everyone. It's Christine Blosdale, and I'm here with
Denise Lamoureux.
And we're here to tell you about Accelerate Your Dreams, the latest webinar workshop. It's called Healing Trauma and Addictions in Order to Accelerate Your Dreams. And Denise is going to tell you a little bit about what we're going to cover.
So what we're going to cover are the ways to release old experiences that keep us stuck, and old beliefs that keep us stuck, that are stopping us from accelerating our dreams. So if we want to have a really good relationship or a really great romantic relationship, we might think we're not good enough, or we're too fat, or we're not perfect yet. If we want to get a whole new career going, we'll think, oh, we can't because I need the money, or I'm not good enough at that, or I don't have the talent. And all those things are false. All those things are old things that we've heard in our head. All those things are tapes that we've played over and over again. Maybe my father said it to me constantly. Maybe my mother said it constantly. For me, I got a little bit of both in everything I just said to you. Releasing those tapes and just removing them and changing them makes new synaptic connections in the brain. We begin to completely react in different ways, and we know and believe and understand, and most importantly, feel that I can do that. Because if you can feel your success, you can achieve it.
Oh, that's so true. And Denise is an incredible master teacher, master healer, and she is going to be leading this workshop webinar with myself. Now, part of this program, one of the wonderful gifts that Denise is giving you when you do sign up is a MP3 meditation. It's an audio program. It's a meditation specifically designed to help you accelerate your dreams. Do you mind telling people a little bit about the meditation?
No, not at all. I did it this morning, as a matter of fact. So it's about, again, we help you to release whatever stuck energy is in there. And you'll feel it when you do this meditation. You'll feel where it's stuck in your body. And there's a few tricks in the trade about where in the body certain things will sit, especially lower back, financial fear. Financial fear. Abandonment and family instability will also sit in there, but financial fear. So the energy stuck there, we bring energy into those areas. We go see what was the experience that started that. It'll come up very, very quickly. Do a quick healing on it. Do a clean rinse off. And then boom, we go up into the quantum field. And that's where we create our dreams. That's where we manifest everything. And that's where the emotion goes. And it's a beautiful meditation. I was really surprised by how it came out. I never think about what I'm doing when I meditate. So it's really great. I think you'll love it.
And it's included with your registration for the webinar workshop. That meditation is so powerful. And what you can do is you can play it before you go to sleep. You can play it in the morning if that's what you like to do, to set the intention. I love the idea of doing it in the day, but some people like to do it at night before they go to sleep, so that their subconscious can have all that going around. So either way, make sure that you find out more information by going to accelerateyourdreams.com. Accelerateyourdreams.com. You can find out all the info you need to, and experiencing this incredible webinar workshop on how to heal. It's healing trauma and addictions. And as we know, those addictions, they hold us back from accelerating our dreams. Those addictions hold us back in relationships. They hold us back in so many different ways. And Denise is going to be covering that in this 90-minute workshop.
Addiction can even be fear. Addiction can even be certain need to control everything. Addiction doesn't have to be drugs and alcohol. Addiction can be a workaholic to a different form of work that we're not in love with. So there's all kinds of addictions.
I am so looking forward to this this program with you, Denise.
What we call the meditation, we're doing what we call the Merite technique, which is a technique of healing that I created, and it's just a way of, it's amazing. It's a way of really quickly releasing these things that are getting in the way, and when we release them this way, they don't come back. So then we'll go in the future.
And that's what we want. We want to quickly get to where we need to be.
Yeah.
And that means in relationships, that means in business, that means in health. I'm starting a few different businesses at the same time, and I need to be crystal clear. And I also need to make sure that any of those old belief patterns, any of those negative things that I've had carrying through my life, like like bags on my back, that those are cleared. And the work that Denise has done, again, she's a master teacher, a master healer, and she has helped me so much. And I know she's going to help you as well. So I'm really looking forward to sharing Denise with you and you can experience this all again. All right, we'll see you then.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.